Welcome to the car quiz. Do you have the eye to recognize them all? Let's find out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. What car is this? The choices are A. 1954 Kaiser Darrin, B. 1953 Corvette C1, C. 1956 Ford Thunderbird, D. 1955 Buick Century Convertible. A 1954 Kaiser Darrin. What car is this? The choices are A. 1958 Chrysler Imperial Crown, B. 1957 Mercury Montclair, C. 1957 Lincoln Premier, D. 1956 Buick Super Riviera. C. 1957 Lincoln Premier. What car is this? The choices are A. 1956 Ford Crown Victoria, B. 1956 Oldsmobile 88, C. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible, D. 1955 Dodge Custom Royal. C. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. What car is this? The choices are A. 1957 Studebaker Golden Hawk, B. 1958 Packard Hawk, C. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville, D. 1959 Ford Galaxy. B. 1958 Packard Hawk. What car is this? The choices are A. 1958 Plymouth Fury, B. 1958 Chevrolet Delray, C. 1957 Dodge Custom Royal, D. 1959 Mercury Park Lane. A. 1958 Plymouth Fury. What car is this? The choices are A. 1956 Chrysler Windsor, B. 1957 Buick Century, C. 1955 Oldsmobile 98, D. 1958 Ford Fairlane 500. B. 1957 Buick Century. What car is this? The choices are A. 1958 Edsel Pacer, B. 1959 Dodge Coronet, C. 1958 Mercury Monterey, D. 1958 Buick Special. C. 1958 Mercury Monterey. What car is this? The choices are A. 1959 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, B. 1958 Lincoln Premier, C. 1959 Chrysler Imperial, D. 1959 Buick Electra. A. 1959 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. What car is this? The choices are A. 1957 Dodge Coronet Lancer, B. 1957 Pontiac Star Chief, C. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, D. 1956 Mercury Montclair. C. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500. What car is this? The choices are A. 1954 Buick Century, B. 1955 Oldsmobile 88 Holiday Coupe, C. 1956 Chevrolet 210 Bel Air, D. 1956 Packard Clipper. B. 1955 Oldsmobile 88 Holiday Coupe. What car is this? The choices are A. 1953 Hudson Hornet, B. 1954 Nash Statesman, C. 1955 Studebaker Commander, D. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. A. 1953 Hudson Hornet. What car is this? The choices are A. 1958 Plymouth Belvedere, B. 1959 Ford Galaxy Skyliner, C. 1958 Dodge Regent, D. 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne. D. 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne.